Asbestos exposure is still a problem. Even though exposed many decades ago, people can still and do develop asbestos-related disease, specifically malignant mesothelioma. If it's a malignant mesothelioma diagnosis, it's not if you were exposed to asbestos, it's how, when, and where. Because malignant mesothelioma, the only known cause in the United States is asbestos exposure. The three ways that an individual can develop malignant mesothelioma from asbestos exposure is, the first is occupational exposure from the workplace. The second way is what is known as household exposure, where a spouse or children can develop malignant mesothelioma. And the third way is what is known as environmental exposure, where you live in an area or work in an area where there is emissions of asbestos. You're getting people now that were exposed in the 40s, 50s, and 60s that are just getting sick. These are folks that are basically blue-collar people. They work in shipyards, they work in oil refineries, they're construction workers. 20, 30, 40, 50 years later, they're stricken with terminal illness. The only reason is because they went to work every day. We go and visit with the client at the client's home. Our approach is very hands-on. It's like old school where doctors would make house calls.
He cared about us. He cared that my husband died from a rotten disease that was just horrific. And we didn't get enough time, and he understood it.
And when I got to meet the lawyers, I was very comfortable with Beth Ann and Ben, and I felt great. Believe me, I felt like, hey, I got the companies that gave me the stuff in the first place.
If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with malignant mesothelioma, or a loved one has died, call Shein Law Center. There is no upfront cost to you, there is no risk, and the lawyer only recovers money if you do.